You wake up, stretch, have your coffee, maybe skip breakfast, check the news. It feels like a normal morning. But if you're over 60, some of those simple habits could be silently weakening your body, draining your energy, and even accelerating muscle loss. In this video, we're going to break down 5 common morning habits that seem harmless, but could actually be making you weaker every day after 60. These habits can affect your muscle strength, balance, metabolism, and how you feel for the rest of the day. And don't worry, we're not just pointing out the problems. I'll also show you small, effective changes that can help you rebuild strength, improve energy, and protect your independence. Let's get into it, starting with the first habit that many seniors think is totally fine, but it's quietly working against them. Many seniors fall into the routine of having a light breakfast, maybe just coffee and toast or a banana and juice. It feels easy, familiar, and even healthy. But once you're over 60, this kind of breakfast may be silently working against your strength. Here's why. After 60, your body becomes less efficient at using protein to rebuild muscle. This condition is called anabolic resistance, and it means you need more high-quality protein earlier in the day just to maintain the same muscle mass you had when you were younger. Now think about what happens overnight. Your body has just spent 8 to 10 hours fasting, which means your muscles are already in a slightly broken down state. If you start your day without protein, your body misses a powerful opportunity to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. This matters because the muscles in your legs and core, your thighs, glutes, calves, and hips, are what keep you mobile, balanced, and independent. If you don't feed them in the morning, they slowly weaken over time. You might feel more tired, have trouble standing up from a chair, or get winded climbing stairs, all of which are early signs of sarcopenia or age-related muscle loss. A 2020 study from McMaster University showed that seniors who consumed 30 grams of protein at breakfast had higher muscle protein synthesis rates than those who saved protein for dinner. That means a better breakfast equals better strength. So, what should you actually eat? Here are some simple breakfast combos that deliver 25 to 30 grams of protein. 3 eggs scrambled with cheese and spinach, plus a slice of whole grain toast. Greek yogurt with chia seeds, almonds, and a few berries. Protein smoothie: 1 scoop whey protein, 1 cup milk, peanut butter, and 1/2 banana. Cottage cheese bowl with walnuts and sliced pear. Even if you're not hungry first thing in the morning, starting with a small protein-rich snack like a boiled egg or half a shake can make a huge difference. The takeaway: your muscles need building blocks to stay strong. Skipping protein in the morning leaves them undernourished, and over time that means more weakness, less stability, and faster aging. If you want to protect your strength and independence, this is the habit to fix first. After getting out of bed, most people over 60 fall into the habit of sitting right back down at the kitchen table, on the couch, or in front of the news. But if you spend the first 30 to 60 minutes of your morning in a seated position, you're missing a critical opportunity to reactivate your body after sleep. Prolonged sitting first thing in the morning leads to slower circulation, joint stiffness, and reduced nervous system activation. That means the muscles in your legs and hips may fall asleep, and that feeling of grogginess or heaviness can linger for hours. You may even notice your balance feels off. This could be why. Think of your morning like a car warming up on a cold day. If you leave it idling too long without moving it, parts can stiffen and performance suffers. So, how do you fix this? As soon as you wake up and hydrate, do at least 5 to 10 minutes of light, intentional movement. You don't need to work up a sweat. Try. Gentle toe raises while brushing your teeth, walking a few laps inside your home, arm swings, shoulder rolls, or torso twists. You can even combine movement with routine tasks. Stand instead of sit while reading, or stretch your arms while waiting for your coffee to brew. This early motion activates your vestibular system, which supports balance, improves circulation, and switches on muscles that protect you from falls. It's a powerful reset that makes the rest of your day more energetic and stable. Most importantly, it sends the message to your body: we're awake, we're moving, and we're staying strong today. Coffee is a ritual for millions of people, but for seniors, drinking it alone, especially on an empty stomach, can cause more harm than good. Caffeine acts as a mild stimulant and diuretic. This means it not only increases alertness, but also causes you to lose fluids through increased urination. If your first drink is coffee and you haven't had water yet, you're likely starting the day already dehydrated. This affects brain clarity, blood pressure, and muscle performance, particularly in the legs. Beyond dehydration, coffee spikes cortisol, a stress hormone. While that's not always bad, combining caffeine with no food can lead to jitters, energy crashes, and mid morning fatigue. This impacts your motivation to stay active. What's the fix? 1. Start the day with a full glass of water before coffee. Room temperature is fine. Add lemon if it helps you drink it. 2. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before having coffee and always pair it with a balanced meal, especially one with protein and healthy fats. 3. Limit sugar or artificial creamers, which spike insulin and worsen energy dips. Hydration in the morning supports your muscles, improves digestion, and makes the coffee you drink work better for your focus instead of against your stability. After 60, one of the biggest predictors of injury and hospitalization is balance loss. And yet, balance isn't just about strength, it's about coordination, posture, and nervous system connection. Unfortunately, most people don't include any balance or posture training in their morning routine. Just like brushing your teeth protects your smile, doing 2 to 3 minutes of balance and alignment work each morning protects your spine, hips, and knees. Try this sequence. Stand on one foot for 20 seconds, then switch. Hold on to a chair if needed. Do 5 to 10 wall push ups to activate upper body posture. Walk slowly across the room, heel to toe, then back again. These exercises are quick but powerful. They wake up your stabilizer muscles, retrain your posture, and reduce your risk of falling. Doing this daily not only improves balance, it builds confidence too. You'll feel steadier walking outside, standing from low chairs, or navigating uneven ground, and that independence matters more than ever. Many people believe starting the day with fruit is healthy, and it can be. But what most don't realize is that certain fruits, especially high sugar ones, can cause rapid blood sugar spikes that leave you feeling more tired later. Fruits like bananas, grapes, pineapple, and watermelon are all high on the glycemic index, They digest quickly, spike insulin, and lead to crashes in energy and focus. If you eat them without any protein or fat, the effect is even worse. Instead of cutting out fruit completely, be strategic. Choose lower glycemic fruits like berries, apples, or kiwi. Always pair fruit with protein or fat like yogurt, cottage cheese, or nuts. Avoid fruit juice, which concentrates sugar without fiber. One simple swap. Instead of banana alone, try half a banana with peanut butter on whole grain toast. Or mix berries into Greek yogurt with flax seeds. This keeps your blood sugar stable, gives you long lasting energy, and supports muscle fuel throughout the morning. Let's recap the 5 morning habits that may be weakening your body after 60. 1. Skipping protein at breakfast. 2. Sitting too long after waking up. 3. Drinking only coffee without water or food. 4. Ignoring posture and balance training. 5. Starting the day with high sugar fruits. Each of these habits may seem small on their own, but done daily, they silently wear down your strength, energy, and confidence. The good news? They're all fixable. Start by changing one habit this week. Add protein to breakfast. Stretch before you sit down. Drink water before coffee. These tiny shifts can lead to better mobility, fewer falls, and a stronger, healthier version of yourself. If this video helped, please subscribe to Creative Health Path and leave a comment below. What habit are you going to change first? You've got the power to age actively, one morning at a time.